Among the following, the molecule of highest dipole moment is. Here 5 molecules are there. First of all, you should know the structure of each molecule to write the dipole moment. CCl4, carbon, 4 valence electrons are there, bonded with 4 chlorine atoms. So 4 electron pairs are there, means sp3 hybridization. 4 sigma bonds are there, means sp3 hybridization, and we are having tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry is there here for CCl4. So chlorine is more electronegative atom than carbon, so delta minus, delta positive, but all are acting each other, all chlorine atoms. This molecule tetrahedral geometry is asymmetrical, so all these dipole moment acting on each other at opposite direction. So overall dipole moment mu is equal to 0d by 0d. Sorry. If you take ammonia, there are 3 hydrogen atoms are there. Here lone pair is there on the nitrogen. Hybridization is sp3, pyramidal structure. So if you take dipole moment, nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen. So negative charge develops here and positive charge develop here. So overall dipole moment here, if you take some dipole moment is there for ammonia. If you take water also sp3 hybridization, only 2 lone pairs are there. So other 2 are lone pairs. Lone pairs are here like this in hydrogen, water. Now hydrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, so oxygen pulls electron density from hydrogen. So dipole moment acts towards the oxygen. So overall negative charge here increasing negative charge. Net dipole moment is there. Here positive charge, here negative charge. So here negative charge it is generating. Now if you compare with nitrogen and oxygen is more electronegative atom. So that pulls very strongly. Here electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5, nitrogen is around 3. So oxygen electronegativity is more, so that pulls very strongly. Dipole moment for H2O is greater than ammonia. Now if you take CHCl3, carbon, this is also like sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral structure. Cl, here hydrogen. So chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. So overall there is a dipole moment towards the chlorine atom. Here negative charge, here positive charge. Here hydrogen and carbon, if you take, carbon is more electronegative, so that negative charge is pulled towards the carbon. Again the carbon charge is pulled towards the chlorine. Now if you take water and chlorine electronegativity, this also is around 3.013 electronegativity. So that is pulling electron density towards the chlorine atom. But here if you take oxygen electronegativity is 3.5, more pulling is there. Dipole moment is more in water compared to chloroform CHCl3. Now even water is having more dipole moment than ammonia and water also. If you take water dipole moment is around 1.80 or 1.8d. If you take chloroform, dipole moment is 1.08 or 1d. And next one BF3, if you take boron trifluoride, BF3, boron 3 valence electrons are there and 3 sigma bonds are there, means sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, planar molecule symmetry is there. So fluorines are acting each other to opposite to each other, so overall dipole moment nullify. So dipole moment mu value is 0d. Now if you take ammonia is also having some dipole moment, but if you compare with water, dipole moment is less. We are having around 1.4d. So overall dipole moment is more in water molecule.